What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. We are back in effect, and guess what? We got orange chicken. Now, I am making like a fried rice to go with mine, but it's not going to premiere in this video. I'm going to have the link below and all the ingredients that you need to make this orange chicken, and all the ingredients, no. And the link and the link below to my fried rice that you can make with your orange chicken. You can make with your orange chicken. You know what? Let's get started. So, okay, guys, I have my chicken breasts. I had 3. They're marinating. This is just simply cornstarch, fresh squeezed whole orange, because the acid of that orange is going to make this meat so tender. And I wanted to marinate it. I didn't want to show you guys that because I let it sit in the refrigerator about for an hour, hour and a half. And so it's soy sauce, cornstarch, a fresh squeezed whole orange juice. And I got my wok. Do I got my wok on? No, I don't. My wok is about to come on. Let me see. There we go. I'm going in with just a little bit of oil. I like 2 tablespoons, and let that get hot. And again, this chicken breast, and it's 3 chicken breasts. When you get your ingredients below, because you know I have a large family, it's going to be for 2 chicken breasts, you know. And then if you have to do more, you just double up on the sauce and the marinade and all that. But yeah, and if you want to use boneless skin chicken thighs, if you could do that as well. Okay, so I'm just going to take some of my chicken. And I just cut them in chunks. Cut them down, slice them in chunks. Slice them in chunks, and now you know, I think Purdue or somebody now had the chicken already diced. I mean, you know, you may have to pay more money for it because they did the work for you. But you know, I'm not sure, but yeah. Oh my God, you can smell the orange and the soy sauce. It smells so good. I'm just put like a couple more in here, guys. I'm gonna let these cook. Let them do their thing in my wok, and we be right back when I flip them over. I'm gonna let you see the end result of all this chicken being cooked. It smells so good already. Wow. Okay, I'm back. Look at my chicken. When I tell you this chicken is tender, the acid from that orange, the way it marinated with this chicken melt in your mouth. And this is the end. If you marinate your chicken breasts right, you don't have to use thighs. The chicken breast is going to do it. I'm taking the rest of these. I'm going to throw in here. And guys, remember, the link to my, what's that stuff called? The link to my fried rice is going to be in the description below. I got some orange juice. And remember, I got a large family, so I'm doubling up on everything, guys, okay? So when you get this recipe, it's going to be for 2 chicken breasts. I'm doubling up on everything. I'm just going to move that orange juice around in there. Orange chicken, guys, I'm telling you. I'm going in with all my stuff. Brown sugar, some hoisin sauce or somebody's sauce is in the description below, okay? And all the sauces, they smell so good. Put everything here. There's all this stuff in my way. Rice wine vinegar. Soy sauce, cornstarch, your thickening agent. And this is just going to simmer and get thick. When it gets thick, it's going to turn to a glaze all over top of this chicken. Whew. And I'm just going to let this get thick. It's like loose now. And it's just going to get thick because the agent from the cornstarch is going to thicken it up. Once it thicken it up, I'm going to put some orange zest on it, top with some sesame seeds, and you guys will see the end result. And it's starting to get thick now, look. But you want it like a glaze thick. See how it's starting to get thick? Look at that. It's starting to get thick. But you want it like a glaze thick. And on top of that fried rice, oh, look at it. Look how it's starting to get thick. Just let that get thick. My children are going to love me. Sunday night dinner. Hey, Games of Thrones come on tonight. Oh, my God. I'm like, no, I got to get this in before Games of Thrones come on. Remember, if you have a large family, just double up this recipe. And it's going to be in the description below. Just double up. Look at this. Nice and thick. That's what I wanted. I'm going in with some zest. The zest of an orange. Not that rind. Let's get that zest. And just knock it off. Not that much. Look at that. And look how thick that orange sauce they got. Ooh, that smells good. You smell the orange. Nice and thick. My kids think they're eating this by themselves. Let me get my sesame seeds, guys, and I'll be right back. Look at my orange chicken. When I tell you guys, you can smell this. It smells so good. This is ready. For the first time in my life, I'm not going in with no parsley flakes. I'm going to top this full some sesame seeds. And that's it, guys. This is my orange chicken video. Remember, this is your kitchen. I give you the foundation. Make it the way you want. It's your family, but I'm telling you, they will love this. This is my orange chicken done my way in my kitchen. And look at that sauce. Nice and thick. That's going to be on top of some rice. Until next video, guys, I am out.